Through the statement, the Fairmont Hotels and Resorts said they are going to close Fairmont the Norfolk and Fairmont Mara Safari Club as a result of spiral effect of the COVID-19 pandemic and the recent flooding of Fairmont Mara Safari Club. Due to the uncertainty of when and how the impact of the global pandemic will result in business picking up in the near future, we are left with no option but to close down the business indefinitely. End of quote. This was said in the memo by the management. It is therefore the decision of the management to terminate the services of all its employees due to frustration by way of mutual separation and taking into account the loyalty and dedication the employees have put into the success of our company in the previous years. End of quote. Employees are set to receive their termination letters by June 5th. Fairmont joins a growing list of hotels that have closed or suspended operation due to the effects of coronavirus. Most five-star hotels rely on tourism, events and conferences, which have since dried up. In March, Nairobi's Tribe Hotel, Olesereni and Dusit D2 stopped operations days after the government imposed travel restrictions and social distancing rules to curb the spread of the coronavirus. Other high-end hotels followed suit to cut costs as the pandemic drags on, including the Sankara Hotel, which has also issued a notice of potential redundancy to its staff. According to the hotel management, coming from a weak performance over the past 5 years, the hotel cannot hope to survive the next 12 months without the immediate and drastic reduction of operating cost. The hotel therefore intends to declare redundancy, whereby all employees will be potentially affected. On May 5th, 2020, the official one-month notice of potential redundancy were issued by Kudeha and individual employees as required by law. End of quote. Restrictions on foreigners coming to Kenya have caused a big hit to the country's tourism industry, which brought in about 163.56 billion shillings last year. Most hotels have reported occupancy rates of well below 10% against 75% normally. According to Tourism CS Najib Balala, a total of 2 billion shillings had been set aside to support renovation of facilities and the restructuring of business operations by stakeholders in the industry. The current situation comes after the Kenyan government had indicated that they will start to relax COVID-19 restrictions to allow in tourists. Mercy Milanoi, K24 Business.